Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to create a subscription on Stripe. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So here are the steps on how you can create a subscription on Stripe. So first, in the Stripe dashboard, just go to the subscriptions page and then just click create subscription, and then you'll just need to find or add a customer and just enter the pricing and the product information, and you can even add multiple products if you want to. Then set the start and end date of the subscription and just set the starting date for the billing cycle. So this defines when the next invoice is generated depending on your settings. So the saved payment method on file might also be charged automatically on the billing cycle date. So learn more about the billing cycle date. So next, oh, this is optional, so you can even add the default tax behavior, a coupon, a free trial, and the metadata. So that's it for this video. That's how you can create a subscription on Stripe. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.